Have you ever done something so embarrassing in public that you just wanted the ground to swallow you up? Well, what if I told you that embarrassing yourself on purpose could actually boost your self-confidence and make you fearless? Sounds crazy, right? Let me explain. You see, what I like to call constructive embarrassment works a lot like exposure therapy in psychology. The more you face situations that make you uncomfortable, the more you train your brain not to panic when they happen for real. It's like building a confidence muscle. At first, it feels awkward, but over time, you stop caring so much about what people think, and that's where real confidence is born. Before you jump into the bigger challenges, it's smart to start with tiny, harmless embarrassments. These will help you get comfortable step by step. Wave at someone who isn't actually waving at you. When you realize, just smile and shrug it off. Hum or sing quietly in public. Nothing too loud, just enough for a few people to notice. Drop a pen on purpose in a quiet room. Pick it up casually and move on. Ask a cashier for something simple, then change your mind. It feels awkward, but it's safe and quick. Say the wrong word on purpose, then correct yourself with a smile. These little tasks may feel silly, but they're perfect warm-ups. Once you can laugh at these small moments, you'll be ready for the bigger, more daring challenges. So, how can you practice this further? Here are some fun, everyday challenges you can add to your embarrassment training list. Start small and work your way up. Wear a colorful, over-the-top outfit to a casual event. People might give you strange looks or even laugh, but that's the point. You're proving you don't need approval to feel comfortable in your own skin. Pretend you forgot your own phone number. When someone asks for it, act confused. Maybe snap your fingers as if you're trying to remember. People may laugh, but you'll realize nothing bad actually happens. Sit in the wrong seat on a bus. When someone points it out, act surprised and apologetic. This helps you practice staying calm when you make little social mistakes. Wear mismatched shoes in public. Pick two opposite colors and walk confidently. At first, it feels awkward, but soon you'll see that most people don't care or even think it's bold. Ask a waiter for a napkin while holding one. This small, silly act gets you comfortable with drawing attention in harmless ways. Call a seafood restaurant and confidently order a pizza. When they tell you they don't serve it, laugh it off. You're training yourself not to take mistakes too seriously. Sneeze loudly during a dramatic movie scene. Yes, people might glare, but you'll survive, and that's the lesson. Address someone by the wrong title. Say "Good morning, sir," to a woman or "Thanks, ma'am," to a man. If they correct you, just smile. It's about learning to handle those awkward corrections. Spill a little drink on yourself in a fancy restaurant. Don't panic, just laugh it off. This helps you learn that even in classy settings, small mistakes don't ruin you. These moments might make you blush at first, but that's the point. The more you practice, the less power embarrassment has over you. Here's the truth. Life is full of risks. Every decision you make, big or small, comes with the chance of failure, rejection, or yes, embarrassment. But if you can laugh at yourself and keep moving, you unlock a level of confidence most people never reach. So next time you're afraid of looking silly, remember being embarrassed might just be the best training you'll ever get. Try one of these today, and who knows, you might even start to enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more confidence-boosting tips. Until next time, go out there and dare to embarrass yourself.